All right, this demo is for the Tailstock Clamp. We are in SW9. We're going to go ahead and file new. This part is metric, so we're going to use the part metric template here and hit OK. All right, here we go. Front. Let's go on the front view and let's sketch on it. And let's start our box. And it looks like this length of this thing is 127. And the height looks like 38. And we'll finish the dimension, features, extrude boss base, and it looks like the depth is 58. And we'll finish that. And we're looking pretty good there. Okay, let's see. There's actually 4 different cuts I'd like to make on this front view, but I'm only going to make 2 of them to start with because I got a little trick for you. If you look at the front view of this thing, we have a kind of a cut there and a cut there, and then we have this arc right here, which would be cut from the front, but I'm going to save that. I'm going to show you another trick to do that. All right, so we're just going to start with the bottom left and bottom right corner on those cuts. All right, and here we go. So let's go ahead and sketch on the front view, and let's turn it to the front view. Front. And let's turn that there. Okay, so the 2 cuts I'm talking about are very simple here. There's a little one right there, and there's another little one right there. And it looks like it's 11 and 9, right? It looks like it's 11 going from here to here. And it looks like it's 9 going from there to there. We'll make this line and this line collinear. Remember, line is linear. All right. And let's see, what do we have here? We have 105. Remember, give the dimensions that they give you. They give 105 from there to there. They don't give 11 from the right. So that's a 105, kind of like that. And looks like we're good there. All right, I have no issues with that. Let's go ahead and features, extrude cut, and through all, and green check it. All right. The next cut I have for you is over on the side view here, and I'm going to sketch this on the side. You know what? I'm not going to do that first. I'm going to do it this way first. I'm going to make a little bit of an issue out of that arc right there. Let's go ahead and make that curved one I was talking about. I said I got a different way here. So without being on any surface, we're going to go right to the fillet command. Now the arc on that thing, if you see it, let me just bring this back in, is 2 times R29. So the radius of that is actually an R29. So what I want to do is I'm going to go to fillet, and I'm going to set the radius at 29, and I'm going to pick the edge, that edge, and that edge, and I'm going to green check it. See what happened there? So a fillet, just a big fillet, and that worked, I think, maybe just a little bit more slick than the making the geometry part. All right. The problem with doing that now is I've lost this top kind of corner. There's really no good surface that I have to make that cut. I could use this bottom surface right here, but I'm going to show you a different way. We're actually going to go to the side view. So we're going to go ahead and go from the side view, and we're going to sketch on the side plane. So you see where that side plane is? This is over on that side right there. So don't worry about that. It's kind of the same situation we had with the rod support. All right, so you know where I'm at there, right? I'm sketching that surface. Let's go ahead and go to the right side view, which we can do. It's just got to come the other way, and let's make that cut. So it's a line, it's a corner rectangle. And notice we have this surface here, but it's not able to get on it because that's actually curved. So let's go back to that side view, and I'm going to show you what I want you to do. Side view. So let's go ahead and make that cut like that, and let's dimension it. So we're going to dimension it from where? From, let's see, can you get anything from this surface here? Do you see the issue right there? We've got that surface back there. How can I make that surface? So let's go back to the side view. Can we convert? can we convert this line right here? Can't get it, can you? So what you might have to do sometimes on this is you have to do a little bit of like negative math here. So the cut is down 11, but the height of the part is 38. So we're going to do what? 38 minus 11 is 27. We're actually going to dimension it 27 from here to here. That's a 27. And then we're going to go 11 from here to here. So we're basically going to get that surface, right on there, if that makes sense. All right, and let's go ahead and finish that. Features, extrude cut, and it's going the wrong way, so we're just going to say, we need to pull you and go this way, and let's go through all and green check it. So a little bit of a workaround there. All right. So now what we have is we have something like this where we've got the, let me put this in a shaded mode, it'll be easier to look at. We have this here, but we have these filleted edges right here. So the way you're going to do that is just like we did with the big round ones, we're going to use the fillet command. So without being in a surface, you're going to go fillet, and the size of the fillets it looks like, or the rounds rather, are 3. So these are rounded edges. Now watch what happens when I pick that edge. See how it goes all the way down there? That's exactly what I want. And let's bring that around. Let's get that edge as well. Boom, that's what I want. And let's go ahead and green check it. And we have these beautiful filleted edges. Actually, those are rounds. The fillets are in the inside. The rounds are on the outside. All right. Next, we have these slots, and that's another one I want to show you that's a little different here. I'd like to sketch on that surface, so we're going to go ahead and sketch on that surface. And let's go to the top view and turn off the shadows. So we actually have a slot command in here to lay it out. So let's go ahead and see the slot command right here, a straight slot. This one's a little funky here. So it's going to go something like this. You're going to drag it, and then you're going to drag it. So what we need is we need dimensions. So we need dimensions from, let's see, the height of it this way, it looks like it's 13. So this is a 13. And the distance all the way across is, let's see, what do they give us there? They give us 19. Now let's see what happens when we go to 19 here. Let's just smart dimension that and see what it shows there. 19, see that? All right, so what do we have there? Now it looks like we have a distance, but it's from the hidden line. If you look at the part here, see the 11 right there? That's to that edge, and then the 14 is from that hidden edge. So we need to dimension that to hidden edge, but we don't have one. So we're going to change this to show the hidden edges. There it is. All right, so let's see, smart dimension from here to here. Whoops. From here, and that would be a 14. And let's see, what else do we have? We have a center 29 from, let's see, from here to here. Whoops, I didn't do that right. I guess I need that smart dimension kind of, huh? Even though it's in there, let's smart dimension that. Let's go ahead and put that here to here and put that 19 in there. And then we need a distance from here to here. See how I'm not able to get that edge right there? So what I think I need to do is I think I need to go to the bottom of the part to find that edge. Let's see if we can't get a bottom view on this thing. See what I did there? So kind of the opposite way. Let's try that now. Smart dimension from here to here, and that is 29. That make any sense at all? Hopefully that made sense. All right. The reason it's all blue is because we don't have the dimension on it for how wide it is, and it's a 13 from here to here. So we'll go ahead and bring that out there and give that a 13, and that should make it all black. All right, let me flip that back over again so you see kind of where I'm at there. And then I have to do the same thing going the other direction. So let's go back into the top view. Let's try that little process again. Let's do the slot, I'm going to drag it and drag it and drag it. So the first thing I know is that this line and that line are collinear. And then I also want to go from here to here. Oops, let's try that again. Smart dimension from here to here, and that is 14. And from here to here, and that is 19. And from, we can do is do it, let's do it this way. Let's go that, and let's make those coincident. And we should be lined up. All right. There it is. Now let's go ahead and features, extrude cut, through all. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the tailstock clamp. And there's the finished version of it right there. All right.